Guys, welcome back to another vlog king, and today we are going to one of our relatives' paddy field, and we'll be spending a night here. As you can see, this is my mom, my kid here, and my other siblings are also playing in the front. So see you and enjoy the day. So guys, since now it's 2:25, we'll be walking around for 30 to 45 minutes. It's gonna be a long walk, so I hope you stay with us. Hello. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
Lại bạn. Ôi quên cái số sinh nhật Ana cari, tuh sih. Ada tuh. You tourist.
So guys, finally we are moving out from the battlefield that we left last night. I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to get the last night shot, or this morning, or the day. I'm so sorry for that. We'll be walking for around 1.5 hours to reach our village. So I hope you continue to love and support, and see you in the next vlog.